Greetings, viewers. I am Eric the Car Guy. You might remember me from, well, I guess it's 17 years ago now. I started my channel in 2009, and then there was a little hiccup. I'd lost my shop a few years back and was sort of set adrift. Still posting videos, but not nearly as much as I used to. Well, guess what? I now have a brand new shop, and it's my shop. It's not rented, it's not anything. And I am here to restart the channel and start bringing you more of the content that you love so much. In fact, just on the other side of that garage door, there is the first project waiting for me to get started on. In fact, I'll be shooting that video next, but I wanted to let you know that I am here. I'm Eric the Car Guy. And if you haven't watched or subscribed in a while, I would ask that you do that very thing. And also click notifications so that you know when I post one of those new videos. But here's the fail-safe in all of this. If you ever have automotive questions, if you ever want to know about the latest Eric the Car Guy and ETCG1 videos, all you got to do is go to EricTheCarGuy.com. Right there on the homepage is all the latest videos, including premium member videos. So if you want to know what's available or what's new, EricTheCarGuy.com. If you want to fix your car and you're trying to figure it out, EricTheCarGuy.com. I suggest the FAQ page. Down below will be links to all different kinds of crazy stuff, including my new shop and all the stuff I'm doing right now. I really hope you stick around. I really hope you subscribe, and I really hope that you watch those videos. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Yes, I will.